What?
Can I ask him?
For what?
To ride the bike.
Do you want to ride the bike?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think?
It's cool stuff.
How you work that clutch? Let them know.
No, I mean, I kind of know what we're looking at. Just get a little bit of gap. I'm in neutral. My bad. Yeah.
That's all you needed?
Yeah. Little gas, though. Don't go little gas. And then, how would I change the gears? So.
Oh, shit. Watch his clutch go out. You're good. Keep going. Yeah. Holy shit. You didn't stall the fucking bike. Clutch up. B.